Steve, hi everyone. Today we're having a look at page 49 in your Just Phonics, and page 49 is an assessment page. So that means I can go through it with you, but you must do it on your own, or Mammy or whoever is at home can go through it with you, but you must do the work on your own so we can see how you're getting on and if we need to go over it again. So what we're going to be doing is going over work that we've done over the last few weeks. We're going to be adding the suffix ed, onto the end of all of the words, and we're going to be adding the suffix ing onto the end of all of the words. So some of them are going to be simple, straightforward ones. Some of them, if they have an E at the end of them or a Y at the end of them, are going to be a little bit different. So I'll go through the words with you and I'll do one example in each type, but then it's up to you. So let's have a look at walk. W-A-L-K. Does it end with an E? No. Does it end with a Y? No. So it's going to be very straightforward. We're just going to put ed at the end of it. W-A-L-K-E-D. And we'll do the same here. We're going to put the ing at the end of this one. So W-A-L-K-I-N-G. So walk turns into walked and walking. Let's have a look at one of the ones with the silent E and see, can you remember what to do at the end of it? So we've got bake, B-A-K-E, bake. And we need to change that into baked and baking. So I'm going to put my text box in and see, can you remember, what must we do when there's a silent E or a magic E at the end? We must get rid of the magic E and we must add on the ED. So B-A-K-E-D. And the same over here. We've got B-A-K, there's no silent E, I-N-G. Okay, let's have a look at one of the Y ones and see, can you remember? It's going to be a little bit different for the ED and for the ing. This is the tricky part. So for ED, we must change the Y into an I. So instead of T-R-Y, we'll have T-R-I-E-D. But it goes back to a little bit easier for ing, because we're going to just keep the root word and write in T-R-Y. We're keeping that part, the root word, and we're just adding on ing. So if it ends with a consonant, then we just add on the suffix straight on. Walk, ed, walked. Walking, walking. If it ends with an E, we have to put on the D here for ED, and we get rid of the magic E altogether and put on ing here. And then if it ends with a Y, we must get rid of the Y and change it to an I before we add the ED. And then this is straightforward. We just add the ing to the root word. And down at the end, there's 5 sentences. So I'll call out the sentences in case you want to do them this way. And if you want to just get whoever's at home to call them out, they're on page 95 of your book. Just remember, when the sentences are called out, go over each one in your head and count them on your fingers. How many words are there? How many words do I need to write down? And don't forget your capital letters at the start and your full stops at the end. So, the first sentence is, my neighbour is 80. My neighbour is 80. Okay, the second sentence. The hedge is at the edge of the garden. The hedge is at the edge of the garden. Number 3, the lamb is in the puddle. The lamb is in the puddle. Number 4, I know how to play basketball. I know how to play basketball. And the last sentence, number 5, I ate porridge and banana for breakfast. I ate porridge and banana for breakfast. And that's it. If that's too quick, you can go back in the video and you can pause them so that you can hear each one and give yourself time. Okay, sin sin, slán go fóill.